Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. If you do not have a candy thermometer, you can test the temperature by dipping a spoon into cold ice water and then dipping the spoon into the syrup. If it hardens immediately, then you have reached the proper temperature. 29 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
For Bing Tanghulu, the crispiness of the candy is the most critical requirement. The candy should be crispy, similar to thin ice in consistency, and not sticky. The trick is to boil the syrup for exactly the right amount of time. If it is not boiled long enough, it will not set properly and will be sticky. 27 November 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Keep your made Tanghulu in a sealed container and put it into the fridge. You do not want humidity or moisture affecting the candy and making it sad. Though most often these treats are best eaten as soon as they are cooled. 26 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.